What's the meaning of crappy? Crappy. Crappy.
Crappy. Crappy. Crappy is an informal adjective that describes something as being of very poor quality or value. It can be used to describe a wide range of things, such as products, services, experiences, or situations. For example, a crappy movie might have a weak plot, bad acting, and low production values, while a crappy job might pay poorly, have difficult working conditions, and offer few opportunities for advancement. Overall, crappy is a negative term that implies dissatisfaction, disappointment, or frustration with the subject being described.